Hey folks, back for another video. This one not so pleasant. Let me show you what's going on here. All right, here's what's going on. Is this spring? Not sure what it's called, but anyhow, it was actually sitting like that up against the bottom of the frame. It's supposed to be like this. So that one, and you can see it's ripped here, right here, and on the inside. I'll show you what that looks like. And the other side is not nearly as bad, but it's still broken. So I've got to clean that off. I've got an extra one of these. Actually, I got 4 of them. So I'll replace that one. Got to weld a piece of 3/16 metal, plate metal, from here over to here. Once I do that, I can re-weld this on. But I've got to fix all these, hammer that back in, maybe, and just basically generally fix it. Let me show you what the other side looks like. I don't know how long that's been that way. Alright, so here's the other side. So this one here, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that one. Might end up cutting that one out. Got to pry it down somehow out of there once I get done with the other side. And put plate metal in there also. And then weld a piece from up on top all the way down to here. And on the inside and outside. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this one here just is not as bad, but it's shoved up inside the tube there. So I've got to pry that back out. I've already welded a new, can't remember what you call them now, but shackle. I've already welded a new shackle to a piece of 3/16 plate metal. So it'll go from here to about right there. And then I'll have a piece of metal come down from here and weld it onto that the shackle on the inside and outside when I get done. Alright folks, I'm done just about as much as I'm going to do. Doesn't look that good, but it is solid. It will hold. I think it will hold anyhow. But that's all I'm going to do. And with the support here on inside and outside, I think it will hold. And it's only got to hold for another several months while my new trailer is being built. Anyhow, just figured I'd show you the finished product. This is the left side, left rear. Everything else looks good. So I'm getting ready to button it back up. So okay guys, I'm ready for your comments. Tell me how bad the weld looks. I already know that. I'm not going to grind it down because it's they got kids around here. It gets noisy. I'm at a state RV park, so they might ask me to leave, so I'm not going to grind it down. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. Hopefully you did. But we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.